So nomenclature. First one is common names. Common names of the aldehydes. These compounds are derived from its corresponding carboxylic acids. What is carboxylic acids? So these are derived from carboxylic acids. So now in carboxylic acids, suffix that is ic is it is replaced by aldehyde. It is replaced by aldehyde. It is the derivatives of aldehydes from the carboxylic acids. So for example, if the location of the substituents of the carbons in the chain, location of the substituents in the location of the substituents of the carbons in the chain, these are denoted with the Greek letters, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta, so on. So the location of the substituents in carbon chain, these are denoted with the Greek letters, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta. For example, aldehyde functional group attached to the one more carbon. For example, it is aldehyde. It is attached to one carbon, so that is CH2. So it is the alpha carbon. So now if second substituent it is CH2, it is the beta carbon. So now it is attached to the another substituent, it is the gamma carbon. So it is the CH3, it is the delta. So aldehyde functional group attached to the location of the substituent are denoted with alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. So it is explained with some suitable examples. Generally, aldehydes are derived from the carboxylic acids. So first one is HCOOH. It is the formic acid. It is the formic acid. So now oxidation of the formic acid. Oxidation of the formic acid. So then it is H. It is CHO. So it is the COOH. So this group is substituted by CHO. It is the formaldehyde. It is the formaldehyde. So HCOOH is the formic acid, HCHO is the formaldehyde. So it is the oxidation. Now second example is, for example, let us consider what is CH3COOH. CH3COOH. So the name of the carboxylic acid is acetic acid. It is the acetic acid. It is the common name, but its IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Then oxidation of this compound, it gives what is CH3CHO. So in the place of CHO, to substitute CHO group, so then it is the acetaldehyde. It is the acetaldehyde. So now third example is, for example, it is CH3, it is CH2, it is COOH. CH3, CH2, COOH. So number of carbons 1, 2, 3. It is a propoic acid. It is a propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. So now oxidation of the propanoic acid, it gives what is propanol. So then it is the CH3, CH2, it is CHO. So it is propanol. So it means aldehydes are derived from the oxidation of the corresponding carboxylic acids. So these are the common names of the carboxylic acid. So now second one is IUPAC nomenclature. The second one is IUPAC names. Generally, according to IUPAC nomenclature, aldehydes as well as ketones are derived from the alkanes, saturated hydrocarbons, alkanes. What is a alkane? Alkane or alkene. So in alkene, so the last letter alphabet, that is E, it is substituted with all. It is substituted with what is all. So aldehyde, it is denoted with the suffix all. What is a suffix all? So for example, if the aldehyde contains more than one aldehyde group, what is more than one aldehyde group? For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, it is CHO. This compound contains only one aldehyde group, that is CHO. Its name is meth-eth-prop-bute. So it is the butanol. It is a butanol. So it contains only one aldehyde group. If the aldehyde contains more than three aldehyde groups, this carbon is not considered in the parent chain. Not considered in the parent chain. Generally, in IUPAC system, this carbon, it means this carbon present in the functional group, this carbon also considered as parent chain. So now it is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon, it is a fourth carbon. For example, let us consider it is CH2, it is CHO, one functional group. So then it is CH, it is CHO. So then it is CH2, it is CHO. So this compound contains three aldehyde groups. So valence is 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So now in this example, aldehyde groups are not considered in the parent chain. So not give the numbering. So then it is meth, it is eth, it is prop. So then it is prop. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tricarbaldehydes. Tricarbaldehyde. So simply CHO is considered as carbaldehyde also. So it means if the compound with more than 3 aldehyde groups, the aldehyde groups not considered in the parent chain. So then let us consider some compounds with common names and IUPAC names. Common names and IUPAC names. So then it is compound. So it is compound. Common name. It is IUPAC name. IUPAC name. So now first compound is, it is HCHO. So common name is, it contains only one carbon. So it is the methanol. Its common name is formaldehyde. So its IUPAC name is methanol. Why it is considered as methanol? Because it contains only one carbon. So it is methanol. So now second compound is, for example, let us consider CH3, it is CHO. CH3, CHO. So number of carbons 2 with aldehyde group. So it is the acetaldehyde. 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 IUPAC name is metheth plus suffix is al. It is the ethanol. It is the ethanol. Ethanol. For example, let us consider CH3, CH2. It is CHO. CHO. So metheth prop. What is metheth prop? So it is a common name and IUPAC name is propanaldehyde. It is the propanaldehyde. Simply it is a propanol. Simply it is a propanol. Now fourth compound is CH3 taken twice, CHO. CH3 taken twice, CHO. Simply it can be written as, so then it is CH, it is CHO, it is CH3 and it is CH3. So then CH3 taken twice, CH3 taken twice, CH, it is CH. So it is the metheth prop but. It is N-butyraldehyde. It is the N-butyraldehyde or isobutyraldehyde. So its common name is the isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. The common name is, this carbon is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is the third carbon. So second carbon with methyl group. So then the name of the compound is 2-methyl propanol. What is 2-methyl propanol? 2-methyl propanol. So then next compound is, so generally it is CH3, it is CH2, it is CH, it is CHO. So then it is CH3. What is CH3? So then it is CH2. So then it is CHO. So it is CH2. So the common name of the compound is beta-methyl varaldehyde. So it is alpha carbon. It is the beta carbon. So it is beta with methyl group. So beta-methyl varaldehyde. What is varaldehyde? So then it is first carbon, it is second carbon with methyl. So then it is 1, it is 2 and it is 3. It is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon. 3-methyl metheth prop but pentanol. It is the 3-methyl pentanol. 3-methyl pentanol. So then